Are you curious about what the heck are Facebook watch parties and can you use them to help you build your network marketing business or even get more customers? We're going to look under the hood and we're going to teach you exactly what these watch parties are all about and how you can leverage their power to expose, involve, and upgrade people for your business, and most importantly, how you can duplicate that strategy inside your team.
So check it out. I literally did a video on my business page last week, and I decided, you know what? I'm gonna do it as a watch party on my personal profile. Just started it 2 minutes ago, and there's already 45 people on live. I don't know if you can see that, but kind of cool that I did a video a few days ago. I'm not working.
Yeah.
That video's already over.
Right.
I did it days ago.
Yeah.
But it's showing up as a live video right now on my personal profile as a watch party.
Hey, John and Nadya Melton here, and we teach average people how to create an above average income utilizing the social platforms. And in today's episode, we're so enthused to teach you what are those Facebook watch parties and how can you leverage them to build momentum inside your business. So let's start out with number one. Facebook Watch Party is a new feature that allows you to hold a live viewing of pre-recorded videos that are publicly available on Facebook. Simply said, it's shared viewing experience. Just like John just experienced this, right? He took a video that was already pre-recorded. That was a really good video, right? And he's now repurposing it. So he's almost saying, hey guys, come over to my living room, right? I want you to visualize this. You invite people over to your living room and you push play on a video. But what's beautiful and what's really unique about watch parties is all the comments that now happen below the video are your comments, right? Because if you ever share a video the regular way and people comment, those comments are gonna now be all up in the original video. And how can you sort through, depending on how many comments, to find your leads in that video, right?
You can actually do watch parties inside of Facebook groups, but you could also do them on your personal profile. If it's a public video, you can do a watch party in a group or on your personal profile. However, if it's a video that was done inside of a group, you could only do a watch party of that video in the existing group it's in.
In order to do a watch party, number one, you gotta have a really good public video, all right? So just like you said, if it's located in a private Facebook group, you're not going to be able to play it publicly because of privacy restrictions, okay? So we got to have one video. You can also do a playlist if that's something that you want to play with as a strategy. Now let's talk about how do we create a watch party, John? How do you do it?
Well, it's really simple. You actually go to the video that you'd like to share, click the share button, and it'll give you options. Just click watch party. Cool. Boom. It'll start happening within a few seconds, and it'll literally notify you as people are starting to join the watch party.
For detailed instructions, let's say you're going to do it on your desktop. You want to create more of an event from that video on our blog. So if you're watching this video on our blog, just look below the video, right? If you're watching this on YouTube or another platform, just click on the link somewhere around the video for the detailed instructions, because it's pretty cool what you could do with the playlist to create that really cool experience. You can even invite your prospects to come check out this cool viewing experience. Now let's shift gears and give you a couple of really cool ideas to get your creativity juicing with enthusiasm about how can we use this cool feature to actually now generate interest, to raise eyebrows, to pique curiosity, to generate leads.
Let's say you're a leader, or you have a leader in your upline that did a killer video on your products, maybe talking about the opportunity. Maybe it was some type of curiosity video. Maybe it was a dual broadcast where, you know, two top leaders did an interview together or something. You could then share that as a watch party on your wall. So it's literally as if they're doing the Facebook Live on your wall.
Just
right?
for your audience.
Just for your audience. So if you were to share their video onto your wall, then people are now getting redirected to that person's wall.
Right.
They're now following that person, right? You don't want that. You want them to stay on your wall. So that's why the watch party can be so powerful, because everybody watching is your people.
In order to get even more exposure of your party, to get the buzz going, you know, what you want to do is, as soon as people start to comment to your video, start to comment. Yeah. I would budget however long that video is. I would budget that time to hang out with your friends. Just like if they were to come over to your house to watch whatever, you're not going to say, hey guys, thank you for coming. Here's the popcorn. I'm going to go because I got other stuff to do. No, I want you to look at it as a social event, engage with the people, comment in the watch party, because as you know, that's the name of the game.
Right.
Facebook wants genuine quality conversations, and they're going to show you to more and more and more people, more and more of your friends that now can come over and join the party. Isn't that cool?
So listen, for more training just like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and we'll shoot you out an alert every time we have a new video.
Have an amazing day. See you next time.